is explain a bucket test. So a lot of times what will happen is customers will call and say, hey, my pool's leaking. And especially this time of year when we're in the fall and in the winter, the water temperature is warm. It obviously, the warmer water evaporates up to the sky. So we can lose quite a bit of water, especially if the water is warmer and the sky is colder at night. So what I tell people to do is set up a bucket test. So with a bucket test, what we're going to do is we're going to take a bucket. Obviously, it does you no good if there's holes in the bucket or something like that. But obviously this bucket, we're in pretty good shape, it looks like. And what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to come down here. And this pool is one that's being winterized. So this pool here, you know, normally our water level, I'd be standing in water right now. So normally you put this bucket on the top step. But with the bucket test, basically what we're going to do is we're going to fill it up with water and we're going to set it on a step. Afterwards, what we can do is, and let me get a nice clean white area right here that you can see. Right here on the side, I'm going to let the water just sit there for a minute. And now the water inside the bucket and the pool water, they're the same temperature obviously because I just got the water out of the pool. Now what I want to do is I'm just going to take a magic marker. You can also take a piece of tape or something along those lines. But I want to mark right here on the bucket exactly where my water level is in the pool. And now I'm going to do it inside the bucket. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for 24 hours. I'm going to come back and check this bucket. Let's say that in 24 hours I come back and there's a 1/4 inch of water that's come out of this bucket, and there's a 1/4 inch of water that's come on the mark on the side where the water level is for the pool. At that point, I know, hey, they both lost a 1/4 inch. That was due to evaporation. So let's say, for instance, though, that my bucket lost a 1/4 inch of water, and on the inside of the bucket, on the outside of the bucket, my water level in the pool, let's say that lost 1.5 inches of water. So what that's telling me then is that there was 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches of water loss in the pool due to, and it could have been several different things. So we're going to go through another video, talk about pump on, pump off, and some other tests that you can perform as well. Thank you.